showed them to you. We will be showing you what would happen if you put sand into slime. Before we get into it, please be sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video.
Alright guys, so here is the slime. It is slightly overactivated because I have a feeling that this sand is going to melt it. But let's put this on a plate just in case it gets too messy. Let's add it in now. So let's see what happens when you add sand to slime. Oh my gosh, this feels so weird. Whoa. It's actually getting harder. Alright, I added a little bit of lotion. I don't know how much it's going to help, but this slime got really stiff. Like you can barely stretch it. And then I'm gonna add more lotion. I finished adding the lotion in. Now let's mix in the rest of the sand. Whoa. Okay, I think that's all the sand it could really hold. Wow. I actually really like the texture. Hold on, I'm gonna add a little. Alright, I'm done adding the lotion, and I just want to say that I'm in love with this texture. It's so thick and buttery. It just has a really good texture, so I do recommend to try this out. It was really fun to mix it in, and it was pretty satisfying. So I'll do some ASMR now. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you all in the next video. Have a very banana day.